Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to contact Temu customer service using the app, step by step. Whether you need help with an order, a return, or just a quick answer, this guide will walk you through it. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Temu app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, so all your credits, orders, and messages are synced properly. Step 2. In the bottom bar of the app, look for the U tab. It's usually on the far right. Tap on it to open your personal profile and account menu. Step 3. In the menu, find the Support Center icon at the top. It looks like a small headset or message bubble. Tap on it to open up the support menu. Step 4. Here, you'll see several help topics available. Tap any topic to get help. For example, I tapped on How to Return or Exchange an Item on Temu, and it showed me different related categories, articles, and steps to follow. Step 5. If you still need help and want to talk directly to customer service, go back to the previous screen. Now scroll down and tap on the Contact Us option. This will open a live chat window where you can talk directly with a Temu support agent. Just type your question and wait for a reply. It's that simple. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.